We'd like to welcome you to the home of Anglomoil and tell you something about ourselves and about our company. I've been in the oil business for 45 years, working in the UK, in Australia, in Europe and many other countries overseas. And I've worked for some of the biggest names in the oil industry. But in the 1980s, I decided that we would form our own family company, an Australian family company. And we had the express aim from the start of manufacturing a high quality range of lubricants to meet the highest standards. In this, we've succeeded very, very well. And we export a lot of oils to Southeast Asia, to China, and also into New Zealand, as well as supplying many areas of the Australian market. Sure, we had a lot of competition. We still do. It is a very, very fiercely competitive industry. But with our basic policy of offering value for money, which became our catch cry, value for money, good products at a good price, we attracted a very loyal clientele, and our growth has always been very strong. In fact, we grew to such an extent that only about 5 years ago we found it necessary to double the size of our factory and also to overhaul our manufacturing facilities. We took advantage of this to put in the most modern technology that we could find, increasing our production capacity by 5-fold. The systems that we use are equal to anything offered by any of the major companies around the world, and we're very proud of what we've achieved by this. It is very efficient, very cost efficient. It gives us excellent quality control in the primary sense. Everything is computer controlled, eliminating mistakes and giving us maximum efficiency. We're very proud of our achievements, and now I'd like to take this opportunity of taking you on a short tour of our plant and to show you how we make Anglomoil.
The home of Anglomoil is located in a bushland environment on the northern fringe of Sydney. Glenn is responsible for our sales effort in the metropolitan area, and as this is a territory containing 4 million people, he has plenty to do. Ros Lundy is our office manager. A big smile and a friendly greeting is her trademark, and Ros is a great favourite with all our customers. The heart of our plant is the blending area, and the nerve centre is the centralised computer control. Information from every blending operation is fed back to the computer. Data including the temperature of the product, the weight of material in each tank, and instructions for every operation are signalled out by the computer. If the computer is the nerve centre, the pump room is the heart of the operation. Here, suction valves from any of the underground tanks open on command from the computer, and the pump will transfer product to any of the blending vessels as directed. The main performance additives are blended automatically, but minor additions can be made into the supplementary blending troughs mounted at the end of each blending tank. In this scene, John is adding a special additive which lowers the freezing point of the oil. When the oil is blended and checked in the laboratory, it's transferred into the holding tanks in the packaging department. The finished oil is packed into various size containers through automatic filling machines. Small containers go through several operations: filling, capping, labelling, and are finally placed into cardboard containers. Most of these operations are automatic, but the line operators, in this case Kim and Carolina, check every container to make sure that everything is right. At any one time, the warehouse may contain up to 500,000 litres of finished oil, ready for the marketplace. It's our aim to make its stay as short as possible before it's dispatched to our waiting customers. Our oils are sold across Australia and exported to New Zealand, Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand and China. Anglomoil has been proven in some of the harshest conditions, including on the track. We hope you've enjoyed this presentation, and when you next see a drum of Anglomoil, you'll understand exactly where it came from.